Buy with confidence. With Moonrise's lifetime on all cables, you can rest assured we stand behind our products and our customers. 2.6 mm diameter. The 2.6 mm cable thickness makes this ideal for routing through the tightest spaces. 10G performance. This cable is perfect for 10 Gigabit Ethernet networks and is backwards compatible with existing Gigabit Ethernet and fast Ethernet networks. Bootless. The bootless design is ideal for IT and data center professionals who prefer interconnect cables without the covers that protect the plug retaining clips, allowing for faster and easier cable connections. Quality at a fair price. Moonrise's rugged design and rigid quality control standards deliver high-quality products at fair prices. Monoprice's Micro Slim Run Cat6 UTP Ethernet patch cables are designed for high-density environments where space is a premium. The unbelievably thin, 0.1-inch thick 32 Aruban Florence cable and bootless design reduces congestion and simplifies moves, additions, and changes. Micro Slim Run Cat6 cables are ideal for when clearance and space is limited. This cable is perfect for 10 Gigabit Ethernet networks and is backwards compatible with existing Gigabit Ethernet and fast Ethernet networks. Top reviews from the United States. Love these little patch cables. These cables are super great for cable management. Very thin and I have not received one yet that had issues. All tested to 1 gig up and down.